All right, hi you guys. This is the video solution for problem number 1 on the homework we had last week. So first things first, couple things that need to happen here. This x going to 0, that should actually be h going to 0 because this is the variable we use for change. And this next one, number 1, we really don't have enough information to do that. One more thing I want to change, and let's just change that to f of x. All right, so what we are doing is finding the rate of change. So we're doing the rate of change at this value. So at x is equal to -1. So in order to do this, we are doing our limit as h goes to 0 of the function with that change, subtract the function all over kind of the b minus the a. So right away we could see that the x and the -x, those go to 0. So I'm going to substitute, as we're writing our limit notation, I am substituting this x plus h where we see an x in the original function. So what we have is the x plus h squared plus the 2. Don't forget to have that 2. And then when we are continuing this, we are subtracting the function and we have the h remaining in the denominator. So go ahead and expand this out, and we still have the limit as h is headed to 0. And when we expand out the x plus h squared, this is what we get. And then, of course, this one right here, we're distributing that negative. So we get -x squared minus 2, and again, this is all over h. So then what you want to look for are parts or terms that can be simplified. This one goes to 0, and the plus 2 and the minus 2 go to 0. So 9 times out of 10, everybody, after you have done that simplifying like terms, you are going to end up with terms left over with an h. So at this point, we need to be able to have an h in each term in order to do that simplifying. So what I end up with is the limit as h goes to 0. I'm left with 2x plus h. All right, so now we have the point where we can substitute h with 0. So I would have, and you can write this out if you'd like, so we end up with this rate of change, change function. Now, the question is, what is the rate of change? What was it? X is equal to -1? Yes, at x is equal to -1. So this is where you plug x equal to -1, where there is x in the function. So in this case, I would have 2x, and now I'm going to substitute the -1, and we get -2. So this is our solution. Okay, off to problem number 8. See you guys later.